After learning about the evolution and history of boiling, its scientific effects, nutritional loss and retention, sustainability, and the cultural variations in boiling techniques. Now, it's time to explore the practical side. In this video, we'll dive into the essential tips and tricks of boiling, both for home kitchens and commercial kitchens. So, let's begin. Boiling looks easy, right? Whether you're in a home kitchen or a busy restaurant, small tricks can make a big difference. In home kitchens, boiling is about patience and flavor. But in restaurants, it's all about time and precision. Let's explore the best tricks for both. Need to boil something quickly? Always use hot water instead of cold, it saves time. And if you want even faster boiling, cover the pot with a lid. This traps heat and speeds up the process. Did you know when you add salt can change the taste? Add salt at the beginning if you want deep absorption into food. But if you want a stronger, surface-level seasoning, add it at the end, think of food like a sponge. If you soak a sponge in salty water, it absorbs salt inside, just like food when salt is added at the start of boiling. But if you sprinkle salt on a dry sponge, it stays on the surface, just like adding salt at the end of cooking. Try this at home and see the difference. In restaurant kitchens, speed is everything. That's why chefs batch boil pasta and rice ahead of time. This way, they can serve dishes instantly without waiting for fresh boiling. Ever wondered how restaurants keep sauces silky smooth? They use a bain-marie. It's a simple method where a bowl is placed inside hot water, preventing direct heat and keeping sauces creamy.
Hi, this is Chef Suzani here. Ever wondered why chefs prefer a wide pan over a deep pot for reducing liquids? Let's explore this simple yet powerful trick.
Hi, this is Chef Mark here. When using a deep pot, the liquid has less surface area exposed to air. This means slower evaporation, keeping more moisture inside.
Hi, this is Chef Amanda here. In contrast, a wide pan spreads the liquid thinly, increasing surface area. This speeds up evaporation, reducing liquid much faster.
Hi, let's recap the best boiling tricks. Use hot water for faster boiling. Cover the pot with a lid to trap heat. Add salt at the right time for better flavor. Batch boil ingredients in restaurants for speed. Use a bain-marie for delicate sauces. Reduce liquid faster with a wide pan. And if your egg cracks, just add vinegar. Now, you're ready to boil like a pro.
Hi, this is Chef Aliana here. Let's recap the best boiling tricks. Use hot water for faster boiling. Cover the pot with a lid to trap heat. Add salt at the right time for better flavor. Batch boil ingredients in restaurants for speed. Use a bain-marie for delicate sauces. Reduce liquid faster with a wide pan. And if your egg cracks, just add vinegar. Now, you're ready to boil like a pro.
Ohmic heating is a revolutionary way to boil food. Unlike conventional heating where heat transfers from an external source, ohmic heating works by passing an electric current directly through the food and liquid. This generates uniform heat instantly. This technology is highly energy efficient and prevents overheating or burning. It's widely used in industrial food processing for rapid, even cooking.
Ever noticed how boiling water moves chaotically? This is due to the climbing and falling plate effect. As water heats up, bubbles form and rise to the surface. This is called the climbing plate. But when bubbles burst, The surrounding cooler water rushes downwards, this is the falling plate. This continuous cycle ensures even heat distribution while boiling.